So you might be in this weird situation where your iPhone screen is basically moving by itself. Now, what does this mean? Well, basically your iPhone or whatever may just randomly be just on a table or on a desk somewhere, and you'll randomly see the screen either stutter like this or something along those lines. Now, this doesn't mean your phone is hacked. It doesn't mean you have a crazy big virus, although it could, mean one of those things. The main reason why this ends up happening for the most part is because your phone screen either has some liquid behind it or the screen kind of is maybe going bad. If you have a newer iPhone, there shouldn't really be the issue. But if you have an older one or if you have a cracked iPhone or you recently threw it, the main thing you want to do first is to double check that the phone is in pretty good condition. Like I said, if you recently threw this thing or if it broke, then that's one thing you're going to have to kind of get fixed. It's a hardware problem. But if you didn't recently do that, the first thing you want to do is to restart your phone. So hold down the buttons that you normally would to restart your device. So the volume up button and the power button. Slide this thing to power off. And you want to go ahead and give it a few seconds and power back on. For a vast majority of people, all you're really going to have to do is basically do that. And you might see that the screen itself may actually be fully functional and it may not even be broken anymore. And it may not be moving by itself. Now, if that doesn't work, another thing you may want to try doing is check the screen protector. If you have a screen protector on and there's liquid behind it, or if you have liquid in your screen in general, even without a screen protector, you may just want to go ahead and just wipe down that screen as thoroughly as you can, or take off that screen protector and then wipe down that display. That's another big thing you may want to try doing as well. And for a lot of people, that may end up fixing it, and that's exactly what I'd recommend doing for you as well. Now, if that doesn't end up working, another thing you may want to try doing is to update your particular phone. So what you want to do here is you want to make your way over into your iPhone settings, just like this. Now, when you do that, the next thing you want to do is hop inside of your general settings. So hop inside of general settings, you want to click on software update right up here, and you want to go and update your particular phone. For a vast majority of people, literally updating your device is one of those things that may end up fixing it for you, and that's probably what I'd recommend doing in your particular case as well. Just update your phone, and that might end up fixing it as well. So that pretty much covers it up there. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video.